Do you know what the most nutrient-dense foods on the planet are? Welcome to the fascinating world of superfoods. These aren't your everyday run-of-the-mill foods. Superfoods are extraordinary. They're the superheroes of the food universe. They are nutrient powerhouses that pack large doses of antioxidants, polyphenols, vitamins, and minerals. It's like having a natural pharmacy right on your plate. But what makes these foods truly super? Well, it's their potential to positively impact your health. They're not just about keeping you full, they're about keeping you healthy. By eating them, you may reduce the risk of chronic disease and perhaps even prolong your life. It's like having a secret weapon against aging and illness. Superfoods are more than a trend. They're a lifestyle choice for those who value their health and well-being. So, are you curious? Are you ready to take your health to the next level? Ready to explore the superfoods that are going to boost your health? Our first superfood on the list is berries. These vibrant, delicious bites of nature come in a variety of types, each with its unique benefits. We have blueberries packed with antioxidants and known for their brain-boosting capabilities. Then there are raspberries, a rich source of dietary fiber that helps keep our digestive systems in check. And let's not forget strawberries, brimming with vitamin C for that immunity boost we all need. Berries are not just tasty treats, they're also powerful disease-fighting soldiers. They carry an army of antioxidants that wage war against harmful free radicals in our bodies. These antioxidants also help protect our skin, keeping it youthful and glowing. But that's not all. Berries have been linked to a lower risk of heart disease, cancer, and other health conditions. They truly are a superfood, offering a delicious way to stay healthy and vibrant. So don't forget to add a handful of berries to your diet. Moving on to our next superfood, spinach. This unassuming leafy green packs a punch when it comes to nutrients. Spinach is a true powerhouse, boasting a rich array of vitamins including A, which supports vision and the immune system, C, vital for skin health and immune function, K, important for bone health and blood clotting, and folic acid, crucial for cell function and tissue growth. But it doesn't stop there. Spinach is also a rich source of essential minerals. It contains iron, which helps create hemoglobin that carries oxygen around our bodies, calcium, essential for bone health, and potassium, which plays a key role in heart function and muscle contraction. Beyond its nutrient profile, spinach can also boost eye health, reduce oxidative stress, and help keep blood pressure levels in check. So, when it comes to incorporating more spinach into your diet, remember, it's not just for salads. From smoothies to soups, there are plenty of ways to enjoy this versatile green. Remember, Popeye was onto something. Next up, we have nuts and seeds. These tiny, yet potent powerhouses are a treasure chest of nutrients. They are excellent sources of fiber, which aids in maintaining a healthy digestive system and keeping you fuller for longer, thus aiding in weight management. But the goodness doesn't stop there. Nuts and seeds are also a wonderful source of vegetarian protein, providing the essential building blocks for our muscles and tissues. Now, let's talk about heart-healthy fats. Yes, you heard it right, healthy fats. Nuts and seeds are rich in monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats, which are known to reduce bad cholesterol levels and thus lower the risk of heart disease and stroke. Moreover, they support healthy brain function. They are packed with antioxidants which protect against oxidative stress and omega-3 fatty acids, which are vital for brain health. In conclusion, nuts and seeds are not just a tasty snack but a nutritional powerhouse. So why wait? Add a handful of mixed nuts or seeds to your diet for a nutrient-packed snack. Now, let's talk about avocado. This fruit, often mistaken for a vegetable, is a powerhouse of nutrition. Avocados are packed with healthy fats, making them a great choice for those looking to maintain a balanced diet. They're particularly rich in monounsaturated fats, which are heart-healthy and can help to lower bad cholesterol levels. But the benefits of avocados don't end there. They're also an excellent source of dietary fiber, aiding in digestion and keeping you feeling full for longer. This can be particularly beneficial for those trying to lose weight, as it can help to curb overeating. In addition to these benefits, avocados are loaded with essential nutrients such as potassium, vitamin K, vitamin E, and vitamin C. They also contain antioxidants that can help reduce inflammation in the body, promoting overall health and wellness. With so many health benefits packed into one delicious fruit, avocados are truly a superfood. So why not add some avocado to your salad or toast? Last but not least, quinoa. This grain has taken the health food world by storm, and for good reason. You see, quinoa isn't just another health fad, it's a bona fide superfood. Quinoa is packed with nutrients. It's high in fiber, boasting nearly twice as much as most other grains. But that's not all. Quinoa is also a complete protein, meaning it contains all 9 of the essential amino acids our bodies need, but cannot produce on their own. Quite the nutritional powerhouse, wouldn't you agree? Furthermore, it's not just about the nutrients. Regularly incorporating quinoa into your diet can lead to tangible health benefits. It can aid in weight management thanks to its high fiber and protein content that help keep you feeling full. It's also heart-friendly, as it contains heart-healthy monounsaturated fat. And let's not forget its beneficial effects on digestion. So next time you think about rice, why not consider quinoa instead? We've covered quite a bit of ground today, haven't we? We've journeyed through the rich, vibrant world of superfoods, exploring the power-packed nutrients they hold. Let's take a moment to revisit these miraculous foods and remind ourselves of their immense benefits. We started our journey with berries, these tiny, colorful gems of nature. Remember, they are overflowing with antioxidants, vitamins and fiber, essential for a healthy heart and sharp mind. Next, we dived into the world of spinach, a green powerhouse of iron and calcium. It's not just good for your bones, but also for your eyes, thanks to the lutein it contains. Then, we explored the crunchy and delicious universe of nuts and seeds. They are not only a great source of healthy fats and protein, but also packed with fiber, helping to keep your digestive system in top shape. Our journey continued to the creamy and rich avocado, a true marvel of nature. Remember, it's not just a tasty treat, but also a source of healthy fats, fiber, and a plethora of vitamins that contribute to optimal health. Finally, we discovered the ancient grain, quinoa, a complete protein source that's also gluten-free. It's a versatile grain that can be incorporated into a variety of meals, providing essential nutrients to keep you energized throughout the day. These superfoods, each with their unique flavors and nutrient profiles, are true gifts of nature. Incorporating them into your diet will not only add variety to your meals, but will also provide a powerful health boost. Remember, food is more than just fuel. It's a source of nourishment, a means of prevention, and a tool for healing. So let's harness the power of these superfoods, making mindful choices that nourish our bodies and enrich our lives. Remember, your health is your wealth. So choose your food wisely and stay healthy.